So what happens when I go to App Store and if I try to install any app, it asks for my Apple password, okay, for installation. Okay, if I tap on install, I have to enter my password. So what if you want to install using your Face ID by just double tapping here? So how to do this? Just go to settings, and then settings is a gear shaped icon like this. Just find it and tap on it. Now what you have to do, you have to go to Face ID and passcode, tap on it. Now it may ask for your passcode. Now you can turn on various features which Face ID can do. So for example, iPhone unlock and other things. So what we need is turning iTunes and App Store on, okay, and it will ask for your Face ID setup if you haven't started it yet. So tap on get started and position your face within the frame and setup. And in this way, after that, once you turn it on fully, it will never ask for your password and it will only ask for your Face ID. Thanks for watching. Please do like.